Thank you for tuning in to Teal's live webinar on connecting beyond visual line of sight drones worldwide. My name is Rob Monkman. I'm the VP of Marketing here at Teal. And joining me today is our host and presenter, Logan Moser. He is an enterprise IoT account executive here at Teal. He was born and raised in Juneau, Alaska. Logan now calls Seattle home. He's an absolute IoT enthusiast. He's passionate about revolutionizing cellular connectivity for many companies across a number of industries, including drones and robotics and industrial IoT deployments. And so we're really lucky to have him. He's an absolute expert in his field. And some of the things that we're going to be covering today include some common connectivity challenges facing drone operators, both here stateside, but also around the world. We're going to give everybody on who's attending this webinar a brief introduction into eSIM technology. What is eSIM? What are some of the benefits as it relates to drone companies and drone operators? And then what success looks like if you can solve some of these pressing connectivity challenges. We'll then open up to all of you to ask us some questions, and we hope that we can answer some of those questions for you. So without further ado, I'm going to turn it over to Logan, our in-house expert, and he's going to kick things off for us.
Yeah, thanks, Rob. Excited to be here and share a little bit about drones, BVLOS, and how Teal is able to help provide an eSIM technology that provides consistent connectivity for a lot of these companies. But without, I'll just jump right into it. So some of the common drone challenges. We wanted to start off here because the drone industry has quite an important need for cellular connection, especially BVLOS drones, beyond visual line of sight. These drones are flying miles away from their operators. So as you can imagine, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, these aren't consistent means of connectivity for these drones. They need a reliable cellular connection. And typically, these drone operators have had to rely on direct cellular relationships. So they have to manage MNO, mobile network operator relationships in each country, especially when you operate around the world. It's very challenging to decide which cellular provider is going to have the best coverage in a new location. It's also hard when you're flying multiple miles away from an operator to know that cellular provider you selected is going to have good connectivity and not have coverage gaps or poor connection. So these are some of the issues that drone operators and drone companies face every day. It's very important that they have a reliable source of connectivity, and that way they're not losing money managing all these different SIM SKUs. It's a pain to have to go take a drone down, swap out a SIM for a new SIM card, and have to manage a cellular relationship in each country that you're operating in. So the other common issue is no redundancy. So there's no cellular backup. If you have one SIM card in your drone and that drone flies out of coverage, what do you do? How do you enable the SIM to have connectivity no matter where it goes? These are some of the common issues that drone operators face, and Teal is looking to solve. So Teal is an eSIM company, and what we believe in is freedom of connection. We want drones and IoT devices alike to be able to connect anywhere in the world. We want you to have the freedom to pick and choose the network that your SIM's attached to. These are some of the reasons why we're trusted by organizations like BVLOS Aerospace, a leading drone company that operates globally. Other companies such as Starship Technologies, an autonomous robotic company. Same with these large enterprises like Netrodyne and SafeFleet. They need consistent connectivity, and they need an eSIM platform that they can trust. This is what Teal is providing, and we also provide them with the ability to directly enroll their devices onto any cellular network around the world. And so that is what Teal does. We put you in the programmatic control. When you think of a eSIM like Teal, you can think of the ability to pick and choose the network your SIM's connected to. We often explain and describe Teal's cellular marketplace as an app store. So Teal's IoT platform, our connectivity platform, is essentially like an app that you would install onto your SIM card. So AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, you can think of those as an app you download onto your iPhone, but it's through the Teal platform. You're able to pick and choose the network that your SIM card is attached to. So Teal provides global connectivity around the world. There's 3,500 different apps you can pick and choose from and install into your SIM card. The Teal SIM is fully reprogrammable over the air, allowing you to control the SIM anywhere in the world. The Teal portal is also future-proof, same with the Teal SIM card. We protect against network sunsets. So when a 3G network dies, what do? Typically, that SIM card is no longer able to connect. With Teal, you can upgrade it to 4G, to 5G, to 6G one day as well. The limitations are really endless with a SIM card that you can control over the air. And that's what Teal's looking to do. We want our customers to have the ability to decide what network their SIM card's attached to. Before Teal and with other providers, you're typically on a roaming profile and you're restricted to which networks you can connect. With Teal, it's in your control completely. BVLOS Aerospace, we kind of touched on that in the last a few slides ago, but so BVLOS Aerospace is one of Teal's drone customers, and BVLOS Aerospace is a drone solutions company. They operate globally and they're providing industrial and defense solutions. So it was very important for them that they had a SIM card provider that was able to have low latency, redundancy, but also the ability to switch across networks over the air. Before Teal, they were managing a cellular relationship in each country they went to. They had to switch out SIM cards when they traveled to a new location, and also within the same country. They had to have multiple cellular relationships in some of the countries as well. And it creates challenges. It's also expensive to have to manage all of these different SIM cards and use different portals. They've switched over to Teal, and now they don't have to deal with these complexities. They have a single cellular provider that they can trust. They're able to access both MNO networks and MVNO networks, depending on their needs and use cases. And they also have way quicker deployments now with their drones. They're achieving reliable and fast connectivity, and their pilots are now flying further than they ever have before, thanks to Teal's eSIM technology. And so some other common drone use cases that you may be familiar with, and it's not limited to, but just some popular ones that Teal's working with today, is last mile delivery, medical, wildfires, and agriculture. So last mile delivery and medical, these are flying around cities around the world. And it's typically hard to determine what the best cellular provider is going to be. Do you use just one carrier? Do you use a roaming profile and have higher latency? These are questions that they often face, and it's important that these drones are always connected. So that's what Teal's looking to help solve with last mile delivery and medical and wildfire agriculture. You now have a single SIM card to go in your drone, and you have the confidence that no matter where it goes in the world, you're able to connect to one of the best networks there. If the best network's not available, your preferred network, there's multiple other networks to choose from in each country, in each location you're in. So that's what Teal's looking to do. We're looking to provide these important drone companies, the future of the drone industry, the BVLOS drones, with consistent connectivity wherever they go in the world. So now let's touch a little bit on the benefits of Teal's eSIM for drones. These are some of the important features that Teal offers. And one of the big ones being programmability, the ability to profile switch. So when we say profile switching, it's kind of what I mentioned previously, where you can think of Teal as an app store. So these profiles are different apps that you're able to select from within the Teal marketplace. Profile switching is the same thing as if you were pulling out an AT&T SIM card for a Verizon SIM card manually, but this is now done over the air. These profiles are entire new identities for your SIM card. It is a full entire SIM swap over the air. So it's the IMSI and the ICCID. These are going to change over the air because it's a full new identity you're downloading onto the SIM card. So this programmability over the air profile switching is a game changer for drones and other IoT devices alike. You're no longer required to manually switch SIMs. You can do this all over the air. And with Teal, This is possible in 195 different countries across thousands of different networks and profiles to choose from. One of the profiles is a native credential. This is unique to Teal, and it provides the best performance in the world. So when we say a native credential, we're talking about an MNO profile, a mobile network operator profile, where you're integrating into their IoT packet core. You're utilizing the 80 data centers that AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile offers. Typically, these networks are only available to direct MNO customers. If you buy the SIM card from AT&T themselves, you get the best network in the world. This is typically not available if you are working with an MVNO. You're routed through their MVNO network, mobile virtual network operator. With Teal, these native credentials provide the best performance in the world while still working with Teal and having a Teal SIM card and using the Teal platform. It's the best of both worlds. The other benefit that Teal provides for drones is stability and redundancy. The Teal platform has a level of cellular backup. So we have two profiles on the SIM card. We have the local profile that you've selected, such as AT&T. But let's say the drone moves out of coverage of AT&T or moves to a new location where AT&T is not available. The SIM will automatically fall back to our bootstrap profile to provide a level of cellular redundancy. The SIM card can switch over to this backup profile in a given period of time that the customer can set, and it just provides them with the confidence that even if their drone does lose connectivity, if there's a network outage, a tower goes down, they will still have connectivity because Teal isn't a single point of failure. We don't own or operate the core infrastructure. We provide the ability to credential onto thousands of different networks around the world. And that's part of the reason why we're able to provide this freedom and control. Because Teal doesn't own or operate its own networks, we're not limited to just one single network, one single MVNO network. We have the ability to connect to both MNO and MVNO networks alike around the world. This means we are carrier agnostic, network agnostic. We don't push you towards a certain network. We allow you to have the freedom and control to pick and choose the network that your SIM card's attached to. And ultimately, one of the big important factors for drones and other important other enterprise companies is they need a secure platform. They need a platform that's GSMA certified. The GSMA only certifies platforms that have gone through a rigorous standard and meet their requirements. Teal is one of the only eSIM platforms, the only US-based eSIM company that has a GSMA certified platform. So this not only comes with a security aspect for drone companies, but it also provides you with a platform that's following and abiding by rigorous rules and regulations. You know that your platform is secure, and this is very important, especially when you're doing delivery, medical drones. When you have these important drones flying around, you need to be ensured that your platform is following the GSMA certifications. And so another piece we wanted to touch on here is kind of the benefits of Teal's eSIM for drones and where Teal fits into the marketplace. We know that there are a lot of different cellular providers in the world, and it can often be confusing knowing the difference between all of these different terms. So with MNOs, mobile network operators, these are the carriers of the world, AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobiles of the world. They have the best data infrastructure built out. They have billion-dollar infrastructure built out. They have 80 data centers around the world or in the country. They also have the best performance. They have the highest priority for their customers. They do, however, have a single point of failure, and you're only able to connect to their networks. And so that's kind of where MVNOs, mobile virtual network operators, were created. These were created to fill the gaps. They wanted to provide access to multiple MNO networks with one SIM card. So they're able to roam. It's essentially leasing the infrastructure from the MNO to provide a SIM card that can connect to multiple MNO networks. But however, you are now being routed through an MVNO network. Instead of having 80 data centers like an MNO would, you now have 1 or 2 data centers. So a single point of failure, and also higher latency and higher costs because you're leasing the space from an MNO. You're routed through the MNO, then through the MVNO network, and then back to you. So there's benefits to each. MVNO's a little bit better coverage around the world, but you also have the caveat of reduced latency or higher latency, higher costs. Teal understood this and did not want to become an MNO or an MVNO. We wanted to be a blend of both. We wanted to access both MVNO and MNO networks alike because there's benefits to both. And that's what Teal's looking to do, to blend and bridge the gap between MVNO and MNO profiles and provide customers with the ability to access both with the same SIM card, the same platform, the same cellular provider. And this also means there's not a single point of failure with Teal. We have, as I mentioned, multiple different cellular providers that we can access, and all while being done at a great cost. And so that is part of the reason why Teal is different. And one thing to note too is we're complementary to the MNOs. We're not a competitor of the mobile network operators, the AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobiles of the world. We are a partner of theirs. We provide the ability to access their networks directly. And this is one of the unique things about Teal is we are looking to provide the ability to access these networks. That's what our platform is. We're a credentialing platform. We're able to provide the freedom and control that MVNOs just can't provide. They have their networks, they have their roaming agreements in place to certain networks, but with Teal, we have complete freedom and control, and we give that back to the customers. Typically, you're routed to one of the lower cost networks that an MVNO can offer. However, with Teal, you're actually able to pick and choose the network that your SIM card's attached to. And so that's part of what we mentioned when we say OTA. You're able to program your SIM cards over the air. You're no longer stuck with a static SIM card where you have to go manually switch it. It's all controlled over the air. And so getting started with Teal, it's very simple. If you go on the Teal website, you can see, you can contact Teal at hello@tealcom.io. This will put you in contact with a sales representative. And it also allows you to order eSIMs. You can order the eSIMs through the Teal website. They'll ship to you in a few days, and then you can activate them on the networks of choice. You're then able to manage and control the SIM cards over the air, but really it's a seamless process. You could order a SIM card today, have it by the end of the week, and be connected to AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, thousands of networks around the world. It's really as simple as that. So we'd love if you would check out our website and order some SIM cards. Happy to explain a little bit more about Teal's eSIM technology and how it might be right for you.
Well, there you have it. Logan, thank you so much for giving us an overview of eSIM technology, how it's solving some of the common connectivity challenges facing drone companies and drone operators today. With true eSIM technology, you can gain the flexibility to connect your drones onto any network worldwide. And you can stop managing contracts and agreements with multiple connectivity vendors, because with a platform like Teal, you can get access to any network around the world via one eSIM SKU. You can consolidate all those contracts into one bill that you can easily manage. And this gives you the flexibility and control, not only to build faster, but to deploy your drones faster anywhere in the world. So do check us out online. If you have some questions, I'm sure that Logan or one of our other in-house experts would be more than happy to field those questions and to get you set up with eSIM technology today. As Logan mentioned, it's super simple to get started. So definitely contact us and we can get you started. So thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next webinar.